Hey guys, so in this video I have the new slice card. This is what they sent me, and yeah, that's how the packaging looks like. Now about the unboxing, let's see what do we get here. Okay, we get a invite letter for them, some stickers, information on the card, and about the card itself. Now so okay, that's some cool packaging. You get the QR code here, and about time. So this is how the card looks like. Pretty cool in my opinion. And now I'll try my best to give you a quick overview on the app itself. You get your digital card here itself, which I cannot show due to the privacy reasons. And this is how the card settings look like. You can activate, deactivate your card in just a tap. You have NFC, which makes your payments very easy with the wireless payment thing. You have your monthly spends here, and every rupee that you spend is converted into a reward point, which after you cross a certain limit, you start getting 1.5 to 2% cash back on your every spend. And this is how the offer look like. Every top brand is right here, and getting discounts is as easy as this. I mean, how cooler can this get? So all big brands all right here. Your repayment structure would be mentioned here. This is the settings. I'll give you an overview on the charges. There is absolutely no charge for booking and getting your card delivered. You get to split your monthly expenses into next 3 months, and there is no annual or renewal charges, so that is a great thing for youngsters to have. And repayment via the UPI, you pay no charges for repaying your credit card. Late charges right in front of you, and yes, you get your monthly fuel surcharge waived off. This is the best thing that can happen to youngsters who don't have or are not eligible for a credit card. If you guys like this video, I would really ask you guys to use this code. You will get 300 immediately in your top up, and this would help the channel itself. Thank you.